Welcome back to my brand new tutorial, and this video I show you what's the best method to transfer your WhatsApp data from Android to your iPhone. Also, you can transfer from iOS to Android device. The last time I was made a video about this topic with using another software, but that software have a problem. After transfer my WhatsApp data, I see all the messages are upside down, not maintain the date, like old message show down and new message shows upside. But today I meet with you a best WhatsApp data transfer software which is work perfect, and I personally using it, also recommend you to use. Okay, so you have to change some settings in both of device. First we have to change setting from iPhone. Go to settings and click your iCloud ID and turn off Find My Device. Okay, after that you change the settings from your Android device. You have to open the developer option and turn on OEM unlocking and USB debugging option. For Samsung user, follow me, and MI and some other device user, developer option enable method is different, so you can search on Google how to enable developer option on your model number. Okay, successfully, if you successfully changes these settings, now you are ready to start the work. So now we are using Transmax software, which is really cool. This software have a lot of social media, data transfer option, and all are work perfect. So the first option you see, transfer WhatsApp data. It's very easy to use, and more to option is WhatsApp message backup and restore option. So we check the first option, transfer WhatsApp data. Here you connect your iOS device and Android device together. But remember, your source device live in the left side and the destination device on the right side. And then you just click the start button and it will be start the transfer. But I personally recommend you to choose the second option, which is backup the WhatsApp data first in your PC and then restore the data on your destination device. finally everything is done. I think now you can take a decision, are you want to purchase it or not. So if you want to purchase it, so now we provide a discount code. If you use that code when you purchase, so you will get a 40% discount, and the discount code is given this video description. Also I added the download link in this description, so please check it. And finally I say you, if you are new on my channel, so subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, so please hit the like button. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Tada.